Today I am checking out this variety pack of stainless steel hose clamps. Now, stainless steel to me is very important because if you just use regular hose clamps that aren't stainless steel, they'll usually end up rusting and eventually breaking if you have them anywhere in the weather, which is pretty much where most all of my stuff is used. So, stainless steel is what I'm going for. This is a large multi-pack of 120 pieces. Now, it was sent to me at no cost so I could do the review. I'm going to go ahead, open it up, let you see them, and then go try some of them out. So one of the first things right off the bat that I like about this is it's in a storage case. It's not just a bag of them. And they are organized with information here about what sizes they are. So when you open this up, right here on the lid, you got that sticker that says what all the sizes are and where they are. When you pull these things out, you'll see again, they are stainless steel, which is awesome. And if you are wondering what size they are, they're stamped. So for some reason, if you pull one out and you're like, well, I don't remember where I pulled this from, it shows you 21 to 38 millimeters. So 21 to 38 millimeters goes right back into this little spot. Very nice set. They do look nice and quality made. I know they're just hose clamps, but I mean, there is a difference, believe me. I have bought some cheap ones that, they strip out right here or break really easy. The bolt in here is not holding well to touch these, so it doesn't tighten well, and then you try to tighten it and it just strips. So hopefully these aren't nothing like that. We're going to test them in a minute, but I can kind of see already by looking in here, they have a really good grasp of the actual section of the clamp that pulls this in and out. And they look like they're going to be nice quality clamps. And that's what I was looking for. So let's go ahead and try these things out. So as a quick demo, this is just an old piece of rubber hose. And if I wanted to attach this to a connector, I would just find one of these hose clamps like this to get pretty close to it. You don't want it too big, but you don't want it too snug either. And then I'd get a flathead screwdriver and I would just start tightening it down. Now it does have a hex head, so you could also use like a socket on this if you wanted. Different size hose clamps, we're probably gonna have different size hex bits that you would need to use for that, or hex sockets. As you can see here, it's already starting to kind of crimp down this hose, which is pretty much all they're meant to do, so that way they'll hold nice and tight on the connector. And this one's already pushing it down, which is usually more than enough. Usually just enough to be snug is enough, but this one is not stripping out or having any kind of problems really tightening that hose down. So yeah, very nice. That's definitely one of the things you want to check on hose clamps, that this bolt that's in here is really biting down well on the grooves on the clamp, because some just do not. This little binding piece here is too loose or something and it just doesn't hold really well, but these look like they're going to do really well. And I love the fact again that they're stainless steel. But that's it. You want to take it off, you just loosen it up. As you loosen it, it's pulling this back through. And then once it loosens up enough, you usually can twist it by hand. But now it's loose enough to just pull off the hose. All of these would be reusable as long as you haven't torn them up and tightened them down too much. Stainless steel should last a really long time. All right, well, I hope this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.